So you're treating cold sensitivity,
Yeah.
receding gums a little differently. You do this new technique. What is it?
Yeah, so there's a few different ways of doing it. There's different names. There's the pinhole gum surgery, there's the gumdrop technique, there's the Vista technique. Basically what we're doing is we're moving the gums down. So let's say you have a bunch of recession, your teeth are sensitive and it's unsightly, you have this recession. You've seen people like this before, right? Yeah. Now instead of having to do traditional grafting where we have to take tissue from the roof of the mouth, now we can just move the tissue down. In a few weeks, the sensitivity goes away. The aesthetics are great, and patients love this.
So a traditional a periodontist would normally take gum tissue from the roof of the mouth and then patch it over this area.
Correct.
You're saying you just pull it down.
Yeah, there's new techniques now. These tunneling techniques.
How come it took them so long to figure this out?
Yeah, I don't know. It was.
Was the problem you couldn't keep it down before?
Yeah, and now there's some new techniques that can help us keep this down. The tissue heals like that and looks really, really natural. Easier recovery for the patients. They don't have the aesthetic problems. They don't have the cold sensitivity. It's really an amazing procedure. We're doing it all the time now.